Now that we have Tails installed and configured as you want it, in this section and the next sections, I'm going to show you how to use it in order to carry out whatever task you want in a more private and more anonymous manner. Because the services that you're used to use, for example, Google, Gmail, Bing, and so on, are simply not private. They track you, they profile you, and so on. Therefore, if you really want to protect your privacy, you will literally have to change the way that you use the internet. So, in this section and the next sections, I'm going to show you how to use private search engines to search for contents and search for websites on both on the ClearNet and on the darknet. I'm going to show you how to communicate in a more private and secure manner. So I'm going to show you how to use private email providers, again, both on the clear and on the darknet. You're going to learn how to communicate privately using end-to-end encryption and using different programs and different protocols than what you're used to. I'm going to show you how to privately share sensitive files. We're going to have a full section on encryption to learn how to properly encrypt any form of data, whether it's text, a document, a file, how to decrypt this data, and how to sign it and verify integrity. And finally, we'll also have a full section on cryptocurrencies, because as we know, the normal money that we use in everyday life is highly traceable, and if you use it, you're definitely not going to be private. Therefore, I'm going to teach you what cryptocurrency is. We're going to cover different types of cryptocurrencies and how to handle it, again, in a private and anonymous manner. All of this is going to be divided into a number of subsections, each covering one of these main topics. And then within each one of these subsections, we're going to break this topic and discuss it in more details.